been drained off. Let's crack them open and have a look. Again, there's more crap in there. I even have to drain them and clean them. That's a bit mullered, which is a bung for the pilot screw. A lot of crap in there as well. I'm going for new gaskets anyway. I'm lifting the gasket with a screwdriver, not scraping. There we go. That's for the bin. Right, let's check the float height. Should be 22.4 millimeters. Yeah, that's all right. So we know that's good. Right, let's try and get that pin out without breaking anything. Might be small enough. It's a bit smaller. Small. I haven't got a brass one small enough. Not very good. Don't like doing these because apparently they can snap off. Nope, that's come out. State of that is absolutely gipping. That cup of coffee, lovely. Yeah, I think that explains a few things. Yeah, I think we can go for a new set of those. Yeah, that will not be doing the carbs any favours whatsoever. So I'll get the rest stripped out. I'll probably end up sticking the jets and everything back through an ultrasonic bath, get them all cleaned out again. Saying that the jets, I was quite happy because it actually ran. So we'll probably sell the float bowls, all the needles, and we'll see how we go from there. Right, these have had E5 fuel sat in them. This is supposed to be a solid piece of rubber, and look what it's done to that. Very, very squidgy. So get some more of those ordered. So that's a carb stripped. Number one, I don't know how well this will focus in on that. That's basically the needle valve, and you can see just all the gunge and crap in there. That one I actually had to get a pair of pliers on it to pull it out. That is just gummed up solid. So I'll try and source some more of those on the internet and get new ones fitted. I will put the rest of the other bits through the ultrasonic cleaner again, which I'll probably show you in a bit, just to make sure, get rid of all the varnish that comes off the fuel on them. So a few bits in there, buzzing away quite happily. I'll do before and after picture, just to show you how it does work. You know, it's not a bad bit of kit actually, saved me a lot of effort. So giving everything a bath, got the jets done. There's a bit of staining on them, not a lot I can do about that unless I go out and buy new ones. I'm not going to hit them with a Scotch-Brite because it'll just damage them. So we'll get those back in, get everything prepped so I'm ready to drop the needle valves back in when I get them. I've also ordered some new conical air filters. Get rid of those bell mouths. I don't know what I was thinking when I put those on, although they do look quite cool. They're just, yeah. Alright, I've got to remember which way these go in. Can only go in a certain way because there's a groove right on there. Right, we're back. I started swearing a lot at that, so I thought it was worthwhile turning the camera off and not recording it. Put it this way, I had a lot of fun doing that. Let's try and get that to sit in there. Probably. You know what? A little bit of rubber grease will help. I'll be back in a second.
A few moments later.
Right, let's try this. Very light smear of red grease, just to help hold it in place. Don't know if this is the right thing to do or not. Seems logical. That'll sit in there. Is that holding it? Spring. Of these sort of decent way around. Try and get that on before it all pops back up. Only 5mm, so no need to go mental with them. And rinse and repeat. Well, that was emotional. I don't like doing that, but I've gone as far as I can. Needle valves are now on order, so once they're in, I shall fit them. We'll get the float height set. I'll get the carbs back on the bike, get some fueling, see if they leak, and hopefully get it fired up and see how well we go. Thanks for watching.